In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing as a beginner starting with $0. Okay, so let's get started. So I already started this business. I'm promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, and this is my affiliate account. As you can see, I made $21,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, and I will show you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest for step by step how you can join affiliate marketing easy and simple and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this free information and methods that I will share with you in this video for free. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in your balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. Okay, so when you withdraw your money, it will show $0 in your balance. Anyways, let's start it. Let's go. So step number one, guys, go to Google and search for Fiverr like this. Okay, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with the Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, what you need to do next, just click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page. So what you need to do next, just click over here on put your first name, last name, your email address, username, your password and account type, make it private. Okay, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, choose your country and choose your language, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy. Anyone can sign up. Okay, it will take just few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and you should have an account like this one. So what you will do next, you will go back to Fiverr homepage, go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. Okay, and search for this service. Okay, search for Amazon, search for this service, search for Amazon product photos. Okay, like this, and I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so always make sure to choose good sellers. Okay, choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example this one. This one looks really good, level 2 seller, he has a lot of reviews. This service is just for $10. A lot of people can buy this service, so I will click on his service. Okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. So what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, then click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest homepage, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr. Okay, click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, double click, save image. Okay, and click on save and go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture from your laptop like this. Open, and here you go, your picture will be uploaded like this. Scroll down, you need to put here title. Okay, Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr and copy his title, okay, like this, and go back to Pinterest and put this title over here, description. Go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, you should see over here about this gig. So this is his description. Copy this description, go to Pinterest and put this description here, scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, and go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here, like this. Click over here on choose a board, okay? If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to create a board. You just need to give it a name, okay? And that's it. And you can create as many as you want. So I already have a lot. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down and you need to put here tags, okay? Keywords. Those keywords are very important, okay? So pay attention in this step. Go back to the seller page, to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down, and you should see, so you should see related tags, okay? Those are the keywords that you should use, okay? Copy those keywords like this, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. It's really easy and simple, okay? And you can start this business with $0. You don't need to invest any money, okay? You just need to use free traffic from Pinterest. Go to Pinterest, put those keywords here. After you finish, click on publish, okay? And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest, okay? This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest. And that's how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing with $0, okay? And by the way, guys, let me show you this. Did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, okay? 1 billion monthly visitors. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest, okay? So you just need to, if you have new account, you need to grow your Pinterest account to start getting views and getting engagement, and you will start making a really some good commission and make a really big money, okay? You can make a lot of money, okay? If you stay consistent. Of course you need to stay consistent. If you will try this business for 1 week or 2 weeks, just don't, okay? Please just don't. Just go and start another business. So every single business in the internet need time and consistency, okay? If you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, you should stay consistent, okay? Keep promoting a lot of affiliate links. If you have new account, you need to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you have old account, that's fine. You can promote between 5 and 6 affiliate links per day. That's fine with old accounts, okay? At least 1 year ago, okay? Because I have old Pinterest account, I can promote a lot of affiliate links, and I'm not using just Pinterest. Pinterest is one of my traffic sources. I use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, so much more, okay? There are a lot of different sources that you can use to get traffic from, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.